What is going on? What's happened? Oh no. This is disaster. What? What did you do to my tissue? Oh, disaster. What happened? Guys, what happened to my tissue? I'm using sawdust, guys, for their poop and peeps as litter cats. I cannot afford. I cannot afford to buy cat sand, guys, because there are a lot. There are 22. Yeah. What's wrong? Huh? Who did this tissue, anak? Huh, sweetheart? Who did this tissue?